Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be taking a look at and testing out the Olixar Waterproof Pouch. Whether you're heading to the beach or riding along a dirt track, your phone can become wet and muddy. Fortunately, the Olixar Waterproof Pouch prevents water, dust and dirt from coming into contact with your phone. A fantastic choice for any trip, the universal design makes it compatible with most smartphones. The two clips at the top open up like so, letting you place your phone inside before resealing the pouch. I noticed it's a little tricky to use the buttons when your phone's inside, however you have full access to the screen, meaning you're able to take those holiday snaps whether you're on land or at sea. To put it to the test, we put our phone inside and then put it in some water. We found the handset came out as dry as it went in and it was fully functional, which was to be expected. The integrated air pocket is a nice touch. It acts as a flotation aid and helps to keep your phone above water if you were to drop it. Definitely a great addition to any trip, this is sure to keep your phone dry and clean no matter where you go. The lightweight design makes it highly portable, perfect for any bag and any trip. I love the universal compatibility, you can use it with most smartphones. So whether you want to keep your phone dry in water or your friend's phone clean on a dirt track, this is a brilliant option. That's all we have for our look into the Olixar Universal Waterproof Pouch. Let us know what you think in the comments below. For more information or to even purchase this pouch for your phone, I'll be leaving links in the description and comments of this video.